tree, that's a bush.
Is it a bush? It's tree. Okay.
bush.
Tree, 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 tree.
Look at those yellow flowers.
Hi. Ay, wait.
Take your seat. Thank you. Be kicking your seat right now. You might have your seat.
Wow! Andito tayo, be, sa bahay ng friend natin. Andito siya, oh. Flip ko, ah. Yan. Teacher ni Hadasa. Ang bait niya, be. It's a video, Hannah. Yan pala yan. Si Anas, si Jessie, at si Mitzi. Hi!
Same level.
To you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thing. These are my Jans. They're gonna take over.
Hi! We love you! Grabe, super ganda ng weather, be. Will you say, Hannah?
Mommy.
One more.
I love you, Mommy.
Yay! Sinasabi niya, I love you daw. I-push natin kasi gusto niya pagka ipupush. What will you say, Hannah?
Mommy, I love you. I love you, Mommy.
Ang sarap pakinggan. Parang song. Hannah, what did you say?
I love you. I love you.
I love you too. I love you. We love you, beautiful friends. We love you. Say we love you. Ay, ang kulit. Ang ganda ng weather. Spring. Oh, sarap pala ng spring. Kasi yung unang spring base, sobrang lamig. Kala ko naman ganun palagi. Hindi naman pala. May ano yun, no? Kalimot. Alright. We love you. Do you want to go to Rainbow Park or do you want to swim?
Swim.
Huh?
Swim.
Swim?
Yeah.
You want snack now? The weather is so good. Again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Beautiful friend, oh, grateful for you. David's mom always said, no, David. No, David, no. No. Come back here, Biff. Come back here, David.
Why? What happened? Why did you run?
Be quiet, David. Don't play with your food.
That's enough,
That's enough,
David.
Go to your room. Super
Settle
David.
down. Nasa library tayo, be.
Stop
Stop
that
this.
instant. Please
Put your
put your toys away. No,
not in the house,
not
David.
in the house, David.
I said
I said broke the ballerina.
Oh no, he broke the vase. This one.
I think
Davy, come here.
here. Yes, David. I love you.
Aww. I love you.
David.
Sabi ni Hadasa, masarap.
Where's the lemon spray?
Lemon spray? Ano yung lemon spray?
Lemon spray.
I don't know. It's just this, Hannah. Yan ito. A little bit. Just a little bit. Sarap. Not super many. Masarap daw, be. Ayan, be, dyan tayo bumili. Ayan. Pasalubong! Meron tayo siopaw at saka ice cream. Masarap, be.
Hello, thank you for that. Okay, I don't have any tea.
Where are you going, Hannah?
Tattoo. I want to go to poo. No, poo.
Is it pretty? It's cute na.
Bobby, I love you.
Hannah, what are you doing?
Eating that.
What are you watching?
Animal Barbie Center.
Hey, what are you doing? Hello! What's that?
Peanut.
You're so funny. She's eating peanuts.
Peanuts are actually nuts.
Say hi to Lola Zenny.
Hi, Lola Zanny.
Flying kiss. Flying kiss to Lola.
Mwah.
That's Hannah. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Okay.
If you're gonna be a good patient, you're gonna get some honey. My hair's so long now. It's springtime. Ah.
Hannah, you're so big now. Yeah. Have a great day. We love you.
Love you.
Mga be, papaka-busy tayo. Isisell natin tong mga animals, pati yung mga bracelets, tsaka ito. Bracelets. Ayusin natin siya.
Beautiful friend. Hello, beautiful friends. We're opening some stuff from Shein. This is for my birthday.
Uy, this is cute. Be, to put the soap.
Ooh. I think
This
that's
is, I forgot about this.
heavy.
Animal stuff. What's this? Oh, animals. I said animal stuff.
Razors.
Oh, this one is good. To cut the vegetables. Hannah, we have to show them. Is there the
Yes,
animals?
I got necklaces.
We're going to sell this, be. We're going to sell this. Hi! Where's Hadasa? Hi! I'll show you, be.
This is
Yan! Same view. Pupunta tayo sa, sa bahay ng friend natin. May mga dalawang Filipina, nadaanan natin si Ria. Sa side ng si Ria is the Yokomachi, is a grocery store. The weather is so good. It's springtime. Let's all take care. Have a great day. We love you.
This onion looks like a shrimp.
Galing be, oh, it's starting to bloom.
Smells good.
Hana, oh, wait lang. Yeah. Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Put farm on yourself with and then you could just wash it off.
Pasyal tayo. No, hindi. May pupuntahan na tayo. May kakain lang tayo. Hi, Hannah. Where are you going, Hannah?
Let's not try to eat this. She thinks that the tuna is yummy. Yeah.
It's like mochi, be. Parang kakanin. Na may kamote. Pakainin natin sa dasat, Hana. Try this. Sweet.
Smells good.
It's sweet. Parang mochi. Parang kamote yung paligid niya, be. You can have it, sabi ni Hana sa kanya, kapatid niya. Hi! Today is April 21, 2024. We love you. Have a great day. Ay, ang galing. May farm sa gilid. Hindi natin nakuhaan. There's farm on the side. This one is new type of house. Farm nila. My favorite season, I also like winter but not so much. So I love spring, summer, and autumn.
Only one, Mom.
But I love the three. And then winter, sabi ni Hana, only one daw. Ay, ni Hadas at Hana. And then winter is not so much, but I like it too for video and pictures. My favorite? My most favorite. Oh, ang hirap. It's between spring and summer. Pinapapili ako most. How about you? What's your most favorite, Hadasa? How about Hana? Spring daw si Hadasa. How about Hana? What's her most favorite? Spring, Hana? Oh, you love spring. You used to love summer. Okay.
What's your mom?
Spring and summer.
One.
Spring na nga lang.
pictures already. Yum. No, yes.
Favorite na Hadasa, dumpling. Let's eat.
Look at all of these cherry
What are they, Hadasa? Do you like it? What are the colors of the beautiful friends?
Light pink, dark pink, and yellow.
Wow! We love you. Enjoy. Have a good day. Si Hana, ang lakas ng trip, be. Nagsislide. Ako na, hindi ko napapakita kasi delikado na to, ha. We love you.
Chippy Chippy gum is a bubble gum. Masarap ito at kaninam-nam. Punatan na swan. Chippy Chippy gum is a bubble gum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chippy Chippy gum is a bubble gum. Masarap ito at kaninam-nam.
Bumili kayo sa tindahan. Chippy Chippy gum is a
bubble gum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chippy Chippy gum is a bubble gum. Masarap ito at kaninam-nam. Chippy Chippy gum is a bubble gum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chippy Chippy gum is a bubble gum. Masarap ito at kaninam.
Bumili kayo sa tindahan. Chippy Chippy gum is a
bubble gum. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chippy chippy gum is a
kulit.
bubble gum. Masarap ito ang kanin. Chippy gum is a bubble gum. Ate, do you elbows?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Gusto niyo langit lupa, ano?
Is a bubble gum. Masarap ito.
Hana, you're so funny. Ang kulit ni Hadasa. Yung lyrics ni Hadasa. Balik ka na Som daw. Ang cute. Ay. Nung nakaraan, tinuruan ko rin yan ng ano yung, ano yan? Yung,
Mom, can we play Pandesal Pandesal?
hindi ko alam yan, pandesal pansit. Yung ano, pendesara, tinuruan ko. Nakakatawa. Ayan, have a great day. Gosh, bay, malapit na silang mawala. Kasi daw, 1 week lang yata to. Grabe no, tas wala na sila after. Magiging green na sila, be. So, kuhaan natin ang video. Kuha tayo, be. Pipitas tayo dito. Kasi, magiging green na to, na tree eh. Remembrance natin. Ang ganda niya, be. Be, color natin yung shoes ni Hana kasi nangingitim siya eh. Kahit nalabhan natin, ito talaga, eban ko yung kulay niya. Ito white, this is on top white, but I changed it to tie-dye. I hope she would wear that. So, let's finish. We're going to put dark pink on that one. Be, natakpan na siya, be. Yung isa, gusto ni Hana yung isa, be. Hindi ko alam kung maganda. Kasi white yan. Ang dumi. Kahit i-brush mo siya, be, ayaw niya. Ewan ko ba bakit ganyan mga shoes, be. Ayan siya, be. Hana. Hi. Hana, can you please wave? Busy. Tupi tayo. Let's try this, be. Itong dulce de leche niya. Ayan, be, na-miss na natin siya. So, tikman natin. Ako yung ang gagawin ko yung ano. Creamy bread. Mamiss ko na to. Ito yung gusto ko. What did you do today? Can you please stand up first? They didn't see you yet. Ang hilig niya sa cat, be. Favorite ni Hana ang cat. Kami ng sister niya is Poppy. Come on, Hana. Alam mo, dress ko yan, be. Tapos, this is my dress and you can, di ba, adjust. Use pin or hair clip. Ito, oh. Hana, let's show them. Come on, let's show them. Come here first. I didn't remove that because it's thicker. Come on, let's show them how I did it so that it will fit you. Yan, meron siya dito. I made it as a flower. So, look at her now. It's like medium size, but she's only 6 years old.
I'm
Ah,
not.
wow, Hannah, amazing. How did it fit you? Come on, come on, come on. One, two, three, show yourself. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, it fit you. It's like magic. We love you. Have a great day. Alright, beautiful friends. I'm showing to you that Hannah is very artistic and creative. Hannah, did you draw this by yourself? No, we're just joking, babe. I think she's tracing it. Like she showed me one day. I was so shocked because it's so beautiful. Where was that the one that you showed me before? Yeah, it's
Where's
okay.
my lion? I mean my.
Yeah, everything are beautiful. But it's okay. She's still working. You're still working hard, Hannah. It's okay. Oh, that
a
one's
monkey.
cute monkey and then bird. Did you do that or Ate did that?
I did it. Where is my tiger?
Nakakaubos ng English. Ano nga ba yung did you do that? Tama ba yan? Double na. Ayan, she made that too. Okay, finish this one. Show our beautiful friends. She will have like animal birthday na lang. Be, walang animals yung dress niya. Ang cute ng dress, be. Share ko sa inyo habang wala pa yung party. Pink, dark pink is the... And then they're going to match. Binilhan na lang si Hada. Kasi it's affordable, be, yung dress. Ano siya, parang siyang nag-sale, ganon. Ang ganda niya, be. Parang yung price niya, parang higher price, pero ang ganda niya. Mura lang siya. Tapos, will both have that. Tapos, to Hannah, I'm going to put animal decor. Kasi, ginawan ko siya, I made a table, what's that called? Centerpiece for the table. Kasi, simple lang naman yung table niya. Pero yung main table niya, maganda be. Kasi may mga golden, alam mo yung cake set. Sale siya. Parang, yun, nag-sale siya sa Shein. Parang Shopee dito. So, yun, maganda siya lagayin. Iniisip ko, ginagamit din naman sa mga birthday, diba? So, yun, kailangan din talaga yun. Yung dati, yung glass, nasa Florida siya ba? Hindi nadala. And then, mix na naman tayo. Tapos, ano nga tawag doon? Yun, sa eating area, it's just like leaf. Yung leaf na yun, kasi gagamitin ko rin yun dito. Yung para siyang, basta pakita ko na lang sa inyo pag sa party na tayo. So, I'm going to put that table design in the middle. Yun lang naman yung design niya. Simple lang siya. Tapos, meron lang siyang animals. But, thankfully, stickers. Ang dami niya. I forgot if it's, I think it's 100 pieces. Tapos, affordable siya. Tapos, ilalagay mo siya yung parang, ano doon? Pakita ko sa inyo picture. Ganyan. Ganyan siya. Yun. Alam nyo ba, yung niyan, ano ba tawag dyan? Yung cone? Pine cones? I just got it from under the tree here, the big one. Yeah, it's just free. Because thankfully it was dry. Didn't rain that day that we got it. Tapos her ate is now in the practice dancing. Tapos here's Hannah tracing. And then before she goes out, she told me she wanna go out and play with her friends. But I told her to listen to 2 songs first. Kasi yesterday we forgot and I am so busy. Parang ang busy ko be kasi combination, no? When you're making like you have tasks, 'di ba? Tapos online din, 'di ba? Combination ng everything. So very busy. Parang feeling ko super busy ako Monday, Tuesday, ganyan. Tapos kapag Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, parang petics na lang ako niyan. Parang, ay, salamat. Parang ganun. Pero talagang super busy ko. Mga ganyan, Monday to Wednesday. Tapos Thursday, Friday, okay na ng konti. Yun, ganun siya, be. No? Kayo rin ba? Ang dami niyang schedule. Pero, it's important for us not to forget our health, right? So, we better sleep. Because the last time, I'm thankful because I'm sleeping before 11 o'clock. So, sometimes I would really sleep first. Then, do online task. It's so beautiful, Hannah. Congratulations, you did it. Say hi to Lola. Ayun ga, ayusin ko pa. Say hi to Lola. Hi, Lola. Hey, say hi to Lola. Lola will look at this. Come on, say hi. Hi, Lola. We love you. You're so big na, Hannah. I'm amazed that's my dress and it fits her. Sometimes the dresses you can adjust, right? You can put pin. You're so big now. You used to be a baby. If they will look at your video when you were a baby. Hi, we love you. Ay, ang gulo. Okay. I will listen to last song. Come here, come back. And mga April 25 ngayon. Nagluto tayo ng munggo. Lalagyan ko pa to ng green. This is mung beans, beautiful friends, to our foreigner friends that's speaking English, and I just have to add leaf on it, green leaf. So it's healthy. Yeah. it's fast to cook. I just boiled it so soft so that it can I'm going to eat this with the girls. I hope Hadas and Hannah would eat this, and then ano sa kanila, they also will have yung adobo kasi that's the last one this Thursday because tomorrow is going to be, you know, the sharing of sisters, so they have their own meal and I'll bring mine. I usually bring one. Then it's going to be like a picnic day Friday for lunch, and then I have a check up for Friday, so and then the dinner. So Friday it's kind of like a little bit busy schedule, not really busy, I mean I'm going out, yeah, visiting a friend because we're just sharing anyways. So this one, what's that? Okay, this one we just have to put the green leaf and it's done already. I just put garlic powder. I didn't saute it because I'm in a rush be. So I'm going to just make this for dinner. We'll make tonight I'm going to make pair that adobo with rice if the kids would like to eat some rice with the adobo. I hope they eat the vegetable also. Okay. Dinner. Na bean lalagay natin greens. Ito lang, 1/4 lang to kasi yung yung half tsaka yung 1 whole na plastic is lalagay natin sa sinigang tomorrow. We're going to put it in the sinigang soup. Any greens, that's what I use while here in Japan. They visited us. Si Kim is here. Beautiful friends, my friend will sing a song. Sige na, she's a Japanese. Kim, come on, Kim! I'm showing just the tree. She's smiling. You said, are you always gonna be my love? Wow! I remember to love you. Tell me how. Wow! Yay! She's cute. She's a Japanese. I told her please sing because it's beautiful. About going to the karaoke place. The first part came 1, 2, 3, go. Ta igo mo. Sama yung niya eh. Kono fei na anashita nega. Naida mori. Ang ganda. It's beautiful. 1, 2, 3, go. You was gonna be may naaalala rin to si Kim. Wow, it's pretty.
Alright. Boom boom.
Hana, come on. Tutupiin ko pa itong mga damit ito. Ang dami, no? Grabe. Gusto ko may magic wand, be. Hana, come here. Show your face. You're so cute.